Morning, it's March 2nd, and this is your March MLS update for GEPAR MLS users. Going to cover a handful of items that just better off doing a video for as instead of reading a couple of different emails or announcements. So let's go ahead and get started real quickly. One update is going to be on the mobile MLS as opposed to the app. This is the mobile access that you might go to on your phone sometimes. The new update on there is allow to edit your listings, make minor changes like status, price, and remarks. So your mobile, it's pretty much this kind of menu and navigation system in there. It looks obviously different because you're on your phone, and so I'll go ahead and pull up that on the screen here, and we can see that you click on My Matrix to My Listings, select the listing. And when you click edit now, you'll have that option edit. These are those minor changes that you can make to your own listings. So that's a new feature. This should be available in the El Paso MLS app if you use the app instead for mobile access. I don't have a confirmed date. That should be sometime in March. All right. Another update is with the launch of showing software. If you haven't seen the announcements that we've posted already or attended the class, we do have a software called ShowingTime. You will be able to see that from your external links, which is the homepage widget that I have. Your links might be moved across the screen or closed out somewhere, but you can always access that. And that's where ShowingTime is. It's the only one here without a little logo. It has a logo, only one with a logo. So when you go in there, that's where you're going to find the option right there to do help and training. They have some great training videos to get you started, going what you need to do to set up your settings in the system and get your listings ready for showings or how to schedule appointments. Okay, also information on mobile, the app. So one of the first things I recommend if you want to try out ShowingTime is watch a couple of videos. And definitely go into listing setup and manage your listings in there to make sure that they have the right instructions and notes. But more importantly is go to your profile. And that's where you're going to want to assign your phone numbers in there. Because if you don't, and you want to use ShowingTime, what may happen is you won't have the option to notify, to schedule, request, confirm appointments via text if you wanted to. So I'm going to have to go ahead and assign a mobile number in there. And it should let me later on go ahead and schedule feedback. Another thing you can do is change your default settings for new listings that you put in the MLS. You can set them all to be appointment required, simply go and show, or just viewing instructions only. And that you can also allow agents to request appointments online. So these are kind of your basic preferences that I encourage you to do. More of that is available under their help and training, and we'll probably have more announcements throughout March about that. So that's ShowingTime. Since we're on ShowingTime, I'll show you a feature available in the MLS now that we've added. It's a new field. So I'm just going to quickly pull up the form to add a new listing. So when you're entering a listing now, and you can also do this for your existing active listings now that you have, is go down to showing instructions. We've added a new one called schedule via ShowingTime. Okay, that's going to allow you actually to schedule showings and tell the other agents, the buyer's agents who see them, hey look, they want me to schedule in ShowingTime. Okay, so you're encouraging the other agents to do that. Got a little search set up. And you can see since we've added this in March, got 20 listings already that are identifying that on their listing. So when you go down there and you see it in the MLS, you will be able to note showing instructions. See schedule via ShowingTime. So you can go in right now and you have a little icon that says schedule a showing. And that's how easy it is to schedule this showing through the system. But not intending this to be a ShowingTime training video at all. Just highlighting it for you. Okay. Another feature is an update in the MLS system. I'm going to demonstrate that and talk about it. What it means is when you have a listing that's been expired recently in the last 7 days, you can actually go in now and make that thing back active. Okay, so you're looking at a little repeating screen image video showing the process where you click edit, and now you have the change to active option, and you can just go ahead and put in the new expiration date. We'll change it from expired to active. Again, just in the first 7 days. After that, you will have to re-enter the listing as new or copy listing. Copy the old number to a new one. Okay, quick update on March classes. We've got classes on March 10th, 15th, and 24th, and you can see they're all workshops. So we've got 2 on doing CMAs, and another one focusing only on mobile apps on your phone. So on those workshops, you bring in your laptop or phone, and we work with you on answering questions, dealing with any problems you might be having, and helping you get better at doing the CMAs or using mobile apps. Okay. You can find our classes available under the external links in the MLS by going to the MLS training calendar link or going to the GEPAR event calendar, and there you'll see our MLS classes. Typically they're in orange. Okay. And don't forget about the Explode conference on March 23rd. That is discount on that up to March 11th, I believe, where you can get $29 for the full day pass. So I encourage you to take part in that. It's a national trainings event that has a lot of different speakers and sponsors there. I encourage you to attend. One last feature, you might have saw this in February. There's another product that we have called Real Satisfied, and it allows you to send out surveys and get feedback and testimonials from your past or most recent clients involved in your transactions. From the external links section in the MLS, you just click Real Satisfied Client Surveys right there. It's probably the quickest way I can tell you to get to it. If you haven't taken part in it already, you can access that benefit simply putting in your email and last name, setting up your MLS account. And then you can start right away, probably within your most, if you had a transaction in the last 2 weeks, send it out to those clients and any new ones you get. And then you can actually publish and share those reviews and testimonials online through social media. All right, and that is going to conclude the March updates. Let me just double check my list to make sure I didn't miss anything. So we've covered a lot, and so we'll try to do another update in April, but I encourage you to try out ShowingTime, try out Real Satisfied. Those are free products available to you. Again, your listings that are expired in the next 7 days, you can go ahead and make those active without the MLS being involved anymore. Okay, enjoy the rest of your month. Thank you for watching.